Hi everyone, welcome back to Awesome Crafter. I'm Lisa and today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick hack on how you can clean your cutting mats that you've been using for your crafts. All we need for this is a old or not so sticky cutting mat and some baby wipes. You can use any type of baby wipes, but I think the unfragranced ones seem to work the best. Over time, when you're using your cutting mat for your projects, it's quite common for them to have bits stuck on them and to lose their stickiness, and over time they do need to be replaced, but hopefully this hack will show you that we can keep a bit of life in them and just keep using them for a little bit longer before we do need to replace them. To get started, I'm just going to take a baby wipe, and all we're going to do is we're going to start rubbing in one of the corners, and we're just going to gently just keep going round in a swirling motion and just keep rubbing. And then you'll think, if you touch it now, you'll think, oh crikey, it's even less sticky than what it was before. But don't panic, because once it's dry, the stickiness will be there again. So we're just going to keep moving along our mat. And as you can see, if you look at the baby wipe, you can see all the bits of debris that's on there that's been left over from projects that you've done. And we're just going to go across and we're just going to cover all areas of our mat. So here's the bit that we've still got to do, and as you can see, it is still a little bit sticky, but obviously not sticky enough to hold down the cardstock or materials that we're going to be using. But I say that now feels really smooth, but don't panic, it'll be fine. We're just going to keep on rubbing. So as you can see there, there's lots more dirt coming off now. So I'm just going to set that one to the side. We're now going to get a fresh one. We'll continue. So I'm going to continue on with doing this now, and I will come back to you once I've done the whole mat. And there we have it. We've done all the mat now, and as you can see, the mat has come out a lot cleaner than what it was when I started, and we've removed all the bits of projects left behind from when I've been working on things. And if we take a look at the baby wipes, as you can see, they're actually quite dirty and quite grim really. And I think it's quite surprising how much does actually get left behind and how much dirt they do attract. This is a super little hack, especially if it saves us money and can increase the life of our cutting mats. That's always a bonus when we're crafting. So feel free to give it a go. I just need to leave mine now until it's completely dry, and then it will be good to go for my future projects. It won't increase the life of your mats forever. Eventually you will need to buy a new cutting mat, but if we can just increase it, you know, the life of it and the use of it for a little while longer, then that all helps. Hope you enjoyed this hack, and I will look forward to seeing you on my next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.